Okay, welcome to the Iron Man of the Cloud, Domain 3, Technology and Services. Tony Stark didn't wait for miracles, he built them. The AWS Cloud is your workshop, and this is your new upgrade. Today, we're forging the Mark III of the cloud, compute, storage, networking, and AI fused into one system. You're not just deploying resources, you're engineering power. Let's get started. Question 1. Which service defines infrastructure as code for repeatable deployments? A. Lambda. B. QuickSight. C. CloudTrail. D. CloudFormation. The correct answer is D. CloudFormation. CloudFormation automates the setup of AWS environments using templates, ensuring consistency and faster deployment. Question 2. Which interface offers graphical control of AWS resources? A. Command line interface. B. SDK. C. Management console. D. CloudFormation. The correct answer is C. Management console. The AWS Management Console provides a web-based interface for managing and monitoring services without command line tools. Question 3. Which tool automates builds and deployments? A. CloudWatch. B. QuickSight. C. Code Pipeline. D. GuardDuty. The correct answer is C. Code Pipeline. AWS Code Pipeline automates the build, test, and release phases of your software delivery process, ensuring speed and reliability. Question 4. AWS Direct Connect is used to A. Run Lambda functions. B. Establish a dedicated network connection to AWS. C. Deliver web content. D. Encrypt data at rest. The correct answer is B. Establish a dedicated network connection to AWS. AWS Direct Connect provides dedicated network connections between your on-premises environment and AWS for secure, low-latency communication. Question 5. AWS regions and AZs are like A. Stark's Worldwide Labs. B. Single servers. C. Security groups. D. Data streams. The correct answer is A. Stark's Worldwide Labs. AWS regions and global locations and availability zones are independent facilities that provide redundancy and fault tolerance. Question 6. Which service delivers content closest to users? A. Route 53. B. CloudFront. C. Direct Connect. D. Global Accelerator. The correct answer is B. CloudFront. CloudFront caches and delivers data and applications to users worldwide with minimal latency. Question 7. Which platform automatically manages app deployment and scaling? A. Elastic Beanstalk. B. ECS. C. EC2. D. Cloud9. The correct answer is A. Elastic Beanstalk. AWS Elastic Beanstalk deploys applications automatically, managing infrastructure, scaling, and monitoring for you. Question 8. Which service runs code only when needed? A. EC2, B. Lambda, C. Lightsail, D. Elastic Beanstalk. Correct answer is B. Lambda. AWS Lambda runs functions without managing servers, charging only for compute time used. 9. What combination auto-adjusts EC2 instances for load balancing and auto-scaling capacity? A. RDS plus Aurora, B. ELB plus auto-scaling, C. S3 plus Glacier, D. Route 53 plus config. The correct answer is B. ELB and auto-scaling. Together, ELB and auto-scaling distribute traffic and adjust instance capacity automatically based on workload. Question 10. Which service runs containers without servers? A. EKS, B. ECS with Fargate, C. Outpost, D. CloudFront. The correct answer is B. ECS with Fargate. AWS Fargate lets you run containers without provisioning or managing EC2 instances. Question 11. Which relational database service automates patching and backups? A. DynamoDB, B. Redshift, C. RDS, D. Elasticache. The correct answer is C. RDS. Amazon RDS provides managed relational databases with automated backups, scaling, and maintenance. Question 12. Which database offers millisecond performance at scale? A. Aurora, B. DynamoDB, C. RDS, D. Glue. The correct answer is B. DynamoDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database that supports fast, predictable performance and seamless scalability. Question 13. Which service stores frequent queries in memory? A. Athena, B. Elasticache, C. Glue, D. QuickSight. The correct answer is B. Elasticache. Amazon Elasticache accelerates application performance by caching frequent data queries. Question 14. Which service moves on-prem databases into AWS? A. DMS, B. Config, C. AppSync, D. Kinesis. The correct answer is A. DMS. AWS DMS helps migrate databases quickly and securely to AWS with minimal downtime. Question 15. Which service creates isolated private cloud networks? A. Route 53, B. VPC, C. Shield, D. Transit Gateway. The correct answer is B. VPC. Amazon VPC lets you create logically isolated networks within AWS Cloud for control and security. Question 16. What feature controls inbound-outbound EC2 traffic? A. Network Access Control List. B. Security Groups. C. CloudWatch. D. VPC peering. The correct answer is B. Security Groups. Security groups allow or deny specific inbound and outbound traffic at an instance level. Question 17. Which service routes users based on latency and health checks? A. CloudFront. B. Global Accelerator. C. Route 53. D. Transit Gateway. The correct answer is C. Route 53. Amazon Route 53 is a DNS service that directs traffic for latency, geography, or failover optimization. Question 18. Which service uses Anycast IP to optimize app performance? A. Global Accelerator. B. Direct Connect. C. CloudFront. D. Route 53. The correct answer is A. Global Accelerator. AWS Global Accelerator directs user traffic through AWS's global network to improve availability and performance. Question 19. Which service stores object data with multiple tiers? A. EFS. B. S3. C. FSX. D. EBS. The correct answer is B. S3. Amazon S3 stores unstructured data as objects and supports multiple storage tiers to balance cost and access speed. Question 20. Which service provides block level storage for EC2? A. EFS. B. S3. C. EBS. D. Glacier. The correct answer is C. EBS. Amazon EBS provides persistent, low latency block storage volumes for EC2 instances. 21. Which storage option provides a Linux shared file system? A. S3. B. FSX. C. EFS. D. EBS. The correct answer is C. EFS. Amazon EFS provides shared file storage that automatically scales with demand across multiple instances. Question 22. Which service links on-prem and cloud storage? A. CloudFront. B. Storage Gateway. C. FSX. D. S3 Glacier. The correct answer is B. Storage Gateway. AWS Storage Gateway integrates on-premises storage with AWS for backup, archiving, and hybrid workflows. Question 23. Which service trains and deploys machine learning models? A. Kyndra. B. Glue. C. SageMaker. D. Athena. The correct answer is C. SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker simplifies building, training, and deploying machine learning models at scale. Question 24. Which service runs SQL queries directly on S3 data? A. QuickSight. B. Athena. C. kinesis. D. Glue. The correct answer is B. Athena. Amazon Athena uses SQL to analyze S3 data without the need to manage infrastructure. 25. Which service handles real-time data streams for processing and analytics at scale? A. SageMaker. B. QuickSight. C. Glue. D. Kinesis. The correct answer is D. Kinesis. Amazon Kinesis enables real-time collection and analysis of streaming data for analytics and monitoring. Question 26. Which service creates interactive visualizations? A. Athena. B. Glue. C. QuickSight. D. Comprehend. The correct answer is C. QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight allows you to build and share interactive dashboards for data-driven insights. Question 27. Which service builds chatbots and voice assistants? A. Comprehend. B. Lex. C. Kendra. D. Polly. The correct answer is B. Lex. Amazon Lex provides NLP and speech recognition to build chatbots and voice-enabled applications. Question 28. Which service provides a browser-based IDE? A. AppStream 2.0. B. Workspaces. C. Cloud9. D. Amplify. The correct answer is C. Cloud9. AWS Cloud9 lets developers write, run, and debug code from any browser with real-time collaboration. Question 29, almost at the finish line. Which service connects apps through event triggers? A. SNS. B. EventsBridge. C. SQS. D. AppSync. The correct answer is B. EventBridge. Amazon EventBridge integrates applications and AWS services through events for real-time communication. Question 30. Which service links IoT devices like Stark's remote suits? A. Amplify. B. Workspaces. C. IoT Core. D. AppStream 2.0. And the correct answer is C. IoT Core. IoT Core connects and manages smart devices securely. Okay, you have mastered Domain 3, the technology behind the armor, compute, storage, AI, and beyond. The AWS Cloud is your lab. Innovation is your fuel. Now go build the next Mark version, because heroes don't upgrade slowly. See you in Domain 4.